Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a clean and reusable button component in Figma. Let's dive in. First, type in your button text, something like button. Then, apply auto layout to wrap the text. Next, give it a fill color to make it stand out. I'm also adding a border radius to smooth out the corners. And don't forget to add padding on all sides to give it that perfect spacing. Now let's add an icon next to the button text. Head over to the Plugins menu from the top action bar and choose an icon plugin, like Material Symbols or any other icon plugin. Once you find the right one, resize it to match your button size and make it a component. Then, go to the Assets panel, drag in an instance of the icon, and place it inside the button frame, right after the text. Now let's make our button more flexible using component properties. First, click on the text, then go to the top right and click the Apply Property icon. Give it a name like Button Label and hit Create Property. Next, select the icon, go to the Appearance section, and click on Create Property. Next, select the icon, go to the Appearance section, and click on Create Property to define it as an instance swap property. This will let us change icons easily later. Once that's done, you'll see all the editable properties in the right-hand panel. Click Add Property and enable the nested instance so it appears in the Property panel when someone uses the component. Now, go to the Assets panel. Drag in an instance of the button, and you'll see the magic. You can edit the button text, show or hide the icon, and even swap it with another icon. Just remember, if you want more icon options, add another icon to the file, make it a component, and it will show up in the instance swap list. And that's it. Now you've got a smart, reusable button component in Figma. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want more Figma tutorials.